Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome or welcome back. So today is our last full day here in Walt Disney World. We are just about to be out the door and we're heading to Animal Kingdom today. I had a brain freeze. So excited. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. We're running just a little bit late, but much earlier than yesterday and the day before. Anyways, I'm so excited. We have some lightning lanes booked. Again, I already went and tried to change something, but nothing's available. Nothing at all. So I think it's going to be the same thing as in Epcot, that there's going to be nothing available. Anyways, I'm excited. We're gonna go and also say goodbye to Dino Land because I don't think we're gonna make it back before it's gonna close. So we have a lot to do today. It's still cold, but feels maybe just a little bit warmer than it was yesterday. Okay, so as always, we're taking the car to the park and we just came to the main lobby to pick up breakfast. I already placed a mobile order and the kids are gonna have Mickey waffles, and I got myself a bagel, egg and cheese sandwich. So we're just gonna pick that up and go so we don't waste any time. But oh my gosh, when I come back, we definitely need to discuss this this multi lightning lane pass situation because I truly don't think you are able to do anything else aside from the 3 initial rides that you reserve before your trip. Anyways, let's go. The lobby area over here and like the entrance, I should say, it's so pretty at nighttime. We were here yesterday because we decided to extend our trip by 1 more day because we were supposed to leave tonight after the parks, but we're gonna leave tomorrow in the morning so that way we don't have to rush out. It's so beautiful. Everything is lit. So nice. Breakfast has been acquired. We're gonna eat it in the car to try to save a little bit of time. Did you guys see Aiden's ratatouille? I mean, Remy. He's so cute. 5 minutes to spare. We made it to Navi. So we're gonna go ahead and enjoy that. Take it all in. And then, what's next?
Flight of Passage.
Flight of Passage. That was the lightning lane, individual lightning lane that I purchased 7 days before the trip. Are you excited? Yes. Okay, so we just got done with Flight of Passage. It was, I want to go again, amazing. And we also got a disability access service pass for my little guy. So we're gonna go on it again before we head to the other side of the park. I think our pass is at 11:35 and it's currently 11:15. So we're just hanging out over here and Aiden went to get his Dole Whip. You know, he has to feed his addiction. But so far it's nice. It's so much warmer here today. The last couple of days were really, really cold.
Fasten your seatbelt and remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the time rover. And please watch children. Atención. Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that happens. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in red.
Blue slot, that's going to make our members look at At this moment on, there is currently 8 people and I only heard 1 person get excited. There you go. Perfect. We're going to begin our game in 3, 2, and 1. Those dino eggs.
All right, a little lunch break at Flame Tree Barbecue. I think I'm gonna do number 5, the smoked pulled pork sandwich. And then we're also getting baked mac and cheese with pulled pork. I love this place. It smells so good here. Okay, my people went to It's Tough to Be a Bug. I'm taking a little break because I have a migraine. I'm burning. I feel it. My heart is racing. I feel nauseous. I took my medicine. I'm so upset with myself because I didn't bring liquid IV because usually I'll chug like 2 of those and it helps, but somehow I forgot it. But I have water. I asked for a cup of ice. I ordered 2 things right now. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna eat them. because I feel so nauseous, but I ordered mac and cheese with pulled pork. Looks delicious. And then my favorite, pulled pork sandwich. I ordered 2 because I'm just not sure what I'm gonna be able to eat now, and like I feel my hands trembling. Oh, migraines, they hit me everywhere. It doesn't matter where I am. My heart is gonna be racing now. So I might just have to relax a little bit, let them go. I think after this, after Tough to Be a Bug, they're gonna go and do Mount Everest. And I think they're gonna, after that, go do the dyno again. And I think I'm just gonna have to take a break because I don't feel good. So our day is almost done, and I figured I'll just close out the video here. My guys are riding Flight of Passage for one last time. Clearly I'm not going. I'm not risking it. I don't know what happened. Maybe today was a fluke that caused my migraine. I don't know. But anyways, I'm just waiting for them over here, away from everybody, because it's totally chaotic over there. But Pandora at night is so beautiful. So incredible. It's a must-see. But anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with us. Thank you for coming along. We had the best time here in Walt Disney World for the holidays. I know our trip was short, but it was so fulfilling. Tomorrow we'll start driving home. It was just fun. It was fun. But definitely when I come back, we're gonna talk about the multi-lane pass, whatever it's called, because I definitely have a lot of thoughts, a lot of feelings about that. It was pretty much the same thing here as it was yesterday in Epcot. Whatever I booked in advance, that was it. I wasn't even able to get Dinosaur. I wasn't even able to get that. Kilimanjaro Safari was gone the whole day. Forget about Navi. Flight of Passage is in the individual lightning lane. I think maybe I saw It's Tough to Be a Bug. Nothing. So I don't know. I have a lot of mixed feelings about that. Like I said, I think yesterday, I think like what you have to anticipate is that the rides that you pre-book when you purchase it 7 days or 3 days before your trip, depending where you're staying on or property, that's pretty much all you're gonna get. Honestly, that's it. You're not getting anything else. It sucks. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you'll be notified every single time we upload a new video. Holidays, Merry Christmas, and a very Happy New Year. And I'll see you real soon. Bye!